Hi friends.
Hi friends.
Welcome back to the channel. Sorry we missed you last week. He was ill.
Much better, thank you.
And we had deadlines. Welcome back. This week we are going for an evening stroll on the Kalamaki Strip. So it is Friday the 31st of July and the sun has just set. It is now 20 to 9. We are starting our walk somewhere a little bit random. We are in the Caretta Beach Holiday Village. Now this is at the far end of the strip because we thought we'd start at the far end of the strip and walk back up to the top end of the strip and just show you what's happening. The resort itself is super busy, not just here at the Caretta, I mean the whole resort of Kalamaki. We have loads of kids. It's the 6 weeks. We have loads of families out here. Everything is busy. Everyone's in good spirits. So let's go and check out how the strip is looking.
So we're effectively taking the route that most families take when they're coming out of Caretta. So we've got Pandasia over there on the right-hand side, and following it up, we've got All Day on the left and Zorba's right in front.
Okay, so as you guys can see, it is busy. We are in full swing here. We thought we'd take a break from all this walking because we're absolutely exhausted and head into the Black Pearl. Let's go and get a drink. So let me tell you something, this is going to be the best thing you'll ever consume in your life. This here is called a mimosa.
We all know a mimosa, which is, it's kind of like a less strong Buck's Fizz. So it's pure orange juice with something sparkly, champagne, typically. But if you want it a bit cheaper, we call it a Fomosa. So it's white wine and Fanta orange. We first had this when we were over with our mates over in Athens.
This is thanks to Don and Paul.
Don and Paul. So, cheers, boys. They'd already come up with a drink, just hadn't come up with a name. I came up with a name. Fomosa. Famosa. Fake mimosa. It's clever, isn't it? I know. Yeah, and one thing to say about Black Pearl.
Oh, phenomenal.
When we first came for our first fact-finding trip here, in October 22, we stayed in Macedonia, and this became our local, didn't it?
Yeah, I've got some really cute pictures that I'll put in here. There was a cat.
Yeah, and we got talking to Natalia and Vasily here. They were always looking out for us when we were looking for kind of somewhere to live and stuff, and yeah, they've been really good friends all the way through the last few years. We've just never been able to come out that much because we've always been working, but yeah, it's nice to be able to get in when we can, isn't it?
So let me just quickly talk to you about the weather. So the past couple of days, it's been windy, it's been lovely, it's been hot, really hot. The wind is just lovely and cool. And a couple of weeks ago, it was hell, it was too hot. It was bloody boiling. It seems to have cooled off a bit. I always say that August is a little bit cooler than July. So let's see what the next couple of days bring going into August. So I would say the hottest we've had so far were a couple of weeks ago. Like the middle of July was sweaty, but we hear it was also sweaty in the UK as well. So it seems like there's been heat waves all over the place. Let us know in the comments, are there any vids you want to see from us, because we are planning our content for the next couple of weeks and for September as well. So there are things like we're hiring a boat soon, but we've already filmed that, so we don't want to film the same thing again.
If you want to think about hiring a boat, have a look at the video up here, because it was so much fun.
Yeah.
So much fun. And, something I haven't told you, a couple that are actually in a villa around the corner from us, we said there was like, we're going to hire a boat, and we said, go down to Kerry and go down there. They turned out they actually rented it from Planos. So they hired boats from around there.
Why?
Like, Sillery Way. Because that's where they kind of ended up.
Why didn't they listen to us?
I know, because they said, oh no, it was really, really busy. The reason why we suggest Kerry is because there's a lot more space. And also, unless you're actually a proper captain, you can't go around the bottom towards shipwreck, which means there's much, much less traffic that way. So if you do want to hire a boat, you want it a little bit quieter, go where we did. Check out that video because it's
Listen to us, guys, because the research we put it. We don't just pick up a camera and film. We plan all of our birds. Like, we really meticulously plan them all out.
Not so
So
much this one.
the information we're giving you is proper.
Yeah, we've done our research. So with that in mind, let us know if there's anything you want to see over the next couple of months, because we are kind of getting our list together.
It's banging this Formosa. We see loads of people asking where red tail is. So this is where it is. There's a sign. Bonamici, over there. Up that road, we have Raven. And across from Raven, we have red tail. So it's just up that road there.
Like that.
Also down here, you have Venus Hotel, and you also have the Iguana Bar and the beach down there as well. Also, Diaz Hotel is down there between corner 45 and Canula.
One person who's synonymous with Kalamaki is the guy across the road there, just by the pool at Cronulla Hotel. People come to him with photos and he'll spend the next few days doing those as kind of like commissioned pieces. He's so talented.
So let's see how busy the Rose and Crown is.
Rose and Crown is always busy.
Quite busy, guys.
Only his second year here, and Hom is so popular. Eddie's such a lovely bloke.
I feel like we say this every single time we go.
Kind of do, don't we?
So this is when you get to the point in the strip and you think, is it worth it to keep going because it looks a bit quiet? But yes, it is, for 3 reasons: venue,
Yeah.
Taz's,
Yeah.
and Claude's.
Absolutely.
Hi, pussycats. Hello, babas.
You've missed loads of the strip if you have turned around at this point and gone back. You've got a venue there, you've got Friends Bar, you've got loads of places coming up here. And as Emma said, you've got Tazzy's, which is just an absolute legendary place on the strip. And of course, you've got Claude's at the top.
There we are. Keith's got his quiz on.
Games night tonight.
This is new for this season. Monarch, I've heard some great things about the mango daiquiri inside there. Every great night should end at this place, or begin at this place, or just visit it during your night. However, this is not the end, but we are popping in Claude for a quick drink and to say hello to our very good friend Claude himself, king of cocktails.
It is actually against the law of Kalamaki to walk past the melon without going in for at least one drink.
I miss my Claudie. I see him every day in the winter. The summer, I barely see him because we're so busy working. But I'm going to go in and see his gorgeous face and give him a hug because we love him. Hi, love. How are you? Do you mind just filming? Is that okay?
Good to see you.
A few moments later.
Anyway, you will come in tonight, my beautiful friends. I'm very glad to see you, relaxing and beautiful. And you can have a small limoncello tonight.
Good.
Because you need a cold limoncello.
Everyone needs a bit of lemon chai.
Yes, a small
So,
limoncello.
the last time that you were on the vlog, the 3 of us were drunk by corner 45.
Hello, world. All the world, hello. Good to see you tonight. Close. Tell me, what's that? Anyway, it's you can be tonight also. Let's try again.
Nah.
Anyway,
I can't.
Yama's beautiful friends.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
All the best to your life.
Wow.
Everybody happy. Happy summer. No stress, no drama. You are one in million melon.
One in a melon.
Yes, another one.
No.
Ladies and gentlemen, please regard the beauty, the art that is Claude.
I try to do my best.
Try harder. Gazuar, Yamas,
Cheers.
Slancha.
All the best. No stress, no drama. Love you.
So Adam, tell us where we're going now. Give us an update.
It's now 11:25. We went in to Claude's for a quick drink. We didn't film much of it, so sorry about that. So that was the melons. What we're going to do is we're going to head straight up to the roundabout, take a quick right. I think a lot of places are going to be closed right now, but let's see. Jump down the old strip and see what's open there.
It's not as quiet as I thought it'd be
No.
here.
Got Island Bar there. It's really nice to actually see this place a little bit busier. They've got free pool in there. And then we've got our favourite, one of our favourite cocktail places, La Luna. Emma has the Cosmo. I have, what do I have?
Moscow Mule.
Moscow Mule. Mojito on there. And then we've got Vinage Restaurant as well. It's still quite busy along here, isn't it?
Would recommend if you're staying here a trip up the old road because I feel like it gets forgotten about, but there's some lovely places here. Antonis is just down the side as well, to the right-hand side.
If you saw a previous night, the video that I was talking about the last time we were in Kalamaki, and we ended up drunk outside corner 45 with Claude, you'll know that we actually started off that whole evening in George's. What a beautiful meal.
Technically we started off in La Luna.
In La Luna, but we did eat
We had
at
two
George's.
cocktails, but yes, the food portion of our night started at George's. And down here, if you continue down, is the Cat Cafe. Highly recommend a visit to the Cat Cafe. They do banging desserts. Because we used to have Placia on the strip. Some of you will remember it. Drop in the comments. Let us know if you actually remember that place. It was here a couple of years ago. That's closed down now. But I feel like the Cat Cafe's taken over for sweet treats. They do waffles, incredible desserts, really nice range of drinks, and you can see some cute cats. It's definitely a win-win. You've got the Cabo Doro here. That's a hotel. And you've got the suites. We passed the suites. Suites is there. And then down here to the right-hand side is the Clear, is it?
Clelia?
Clear, not too sure how to pronounce
Clelia.
it.
And then that takes you all the way down to Crystal Beach Hotel. You can kind of understand why they kind of push down that way for the main strip, because the old strip is quite short, but it's got so much charm. I absolutely love the old strip. It's a really, really nice place to come.
So guys, that is it from us. We hope you enjoyed the little walk around Kalamaki. If you did, give us a cheeky little thumbs up.
Quite a quiet night, we get that, but we're kind of get back into the swing of things.
Yeah, we just want to show you what it's like as well. Like if you're coming out here and you've never been before and you just want to know what it's like. So we hope it helps.
Yeah, absolutely. And with that in mind, as we said earlier in the video, if you do have any requests for videos over the next couple of months, let us know, because we are planning out our diary for these next couple of months. So let us know. We'll see if we can do it for you. And if we will, we absolutely will. Thank you so much for watching. If you're brand new here, make sure you have a look over our old videos, because we've got so much on the channel. But most importantly, make good choices.
Good choices.
See you later.
I forgot it. Damn,
It's been so long, right?
it's been that bloody long.
Say goodbye, Emma.
Bye, Emma.
She's gone.
Bye.
She's back. See you later.